Sky Deep Powder Manicure, and this is what my nails look, and they look great. No, just kidding. But yeah, this is how much they grew. So as you can see, the manicure stayed on, didn't peel off, didn't pop off, nothing. And to be honest, when you have like nail growth with this manicure, you can get away when you paint them if you don't feel like, you know, starting your manicure all over again. In some angles and lights, looks like nothing's going on. In some others, like it looks bad. So yeah, it's time for me to remove this and start all over again. I'm gonna be filing the shiny part, like the first layer, as I mentioned in my review. I didn't get like a proper set or kit. I made one myself. I didn't get like instructions, and so I just went in a bunch of like different tutorials on how to remove it. But there was one that in like the comments, somebody said that their nail technician uses this method where they place acetone in a bowl inside a bigger bowl, and they add some like boiling water and then just let rest their nails for a while. I did that in this hand, but I'm not gonna lie, I didn't last long here. I wasn't like patient enough for this. I think I was in here for about 5 to 8 minutes, and then I started kind of like removing the manicure before it was time. I mean, eventually it worked. In my other hand, I tried 2 different methods. One is with foil, cotton, and acetone, and then you let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it was okay. I mean, I could remove the whole thing, but I was there for a long time. And then there was another method where you have to place your fingers inside like a Ziploc bag with acetone on it, and then you place that bag inside a bowl with boiling hot water. I did that too. What happened to that method? I don't remember. Yeah, I was there 10 to 15 minutes until I got like desperate. I started to peel off like the entire powder, and actually I peeled off one tip of my nail, and that's why I just didn't want to go on with that method. I like the method. I prefer to my LED lamp that I was using, and I much prefer this method as opposed to using press-ons. It doesn't peel off, it doesn't pop off, it doesn't come off like at all. It's actually hard to remove, which is great because your manicure will last longer. But when you want to remove your manicure, when it's like too much the nail growth that you have, it's kind of like a struggle. Well, it has been for me at least. So if you have any method that you like to use like safely and without damaging your nails, let me know in the comments. And this is the first time in my whole life that my nails have been like this long. But I'm just gonna be refreshing my manicure pretty much. I'm going to be doing the bond and then the base. As far as for the base for this one though, I just used 2 coats of like the deep powder. Like I did the first coat just going 3/4 of a nail, and then the second coat covering the whole nail. I didn't do a short coat because I wanted to know what happened if the nails felt strong or not. And sometimes I wonder what happens if you only use 1 coat. Have you guys ever tried that? If so, just let me know what happened. I'm just curious. Then I added my silk protector. I did normal, and then the top. Something that I noticed this time on the top, and probably happened the first time, but this is the first time that I noticed this, is this happens. And I'm guessing this is when some kind of like chemical reaction happens and the top coat hardens. But yeah, this is what my nails look like with 2 coats. They feel like if I was using press-on nails. It's like pretty much the same thickness. 3 coats I found that were too thick for me. The only thing that happened to me after the second week, 1 nail broke because I was too intense cleaning something, and if you paint it, you can really notice. I love this method. My nails have grown a lot, and I really recommend it if you like doing your own manicures. Next time though, I want to try with this 2 coats and my LED lamp and see how it goes. But yeah, hopefully you liked this. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's raining. Check out more nail care that I